So I'm going in with the white base. This is NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil, and I'm gonna apply that onto my lids. Oh my god, wait. Sorry, there's people there. So I'm just gonna blend that out with the brush, and this will make sure all of the shadows you put on there will just pop in your face, okay? So I'm gonna go in with a green eyeshadow on the outer corners, and then you're gonna do the same thing with the inner corners. Try to keep the center of the lid clean. And then I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the lower lash line. I try to go in with a transition color here. I totally forgot to do that first, but either way is fine. I'm just gonna smoke out the green, and I use like a brownish gray color and just highlight your brow bone. Now I lost a lot of color due to the blending. I went in with a little bit of a wet brush with the same color. I'm just gonna pack on that color to make it more vibrant in your face. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with the yellow color / gold. Now originally I had a different look in mind. I wanted to put like a gold glitter on the center of the lid, but I don't know where it went. I have way too much makeup, you guys. So there's that. And then I just went in with a liner and I applied false lashes, and girl, you're done. So that's it for that look. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up. It would help me a lot. Now for my poses coming up. Yeah, okay. Bye.